Today we're going to make a paper plate pizza. For this craft, you'll need a paper plate, you'll need some scissors, some glue, any kind will do, you'll need some scrap paper or construction paper, and of course crayons or markers. To start, color your plate. This is your pizza dough. Once your plate is colored, it's time to grab some scrap paper or construction paper. Take a piece of red paper or white paper or brown paper and cut out a large squiggly chunk for your pizza sauce. It can be any color you want. This is your own pizza, so make it however you like. After your sauce is cut out, take your glue and glue it to your plate. Repeat these two steps, cutting out different toppings you would like on your pizza. Maybe you want green peppers or mushrooms, pepperonis, pineapples, cheese. Assemble your pizza by gluing down your toppings. When your toppings are all glued on, you're done! Now you have a paper plate pizza.